Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix audio, sound not working after updating on Windows 11. Method 1. Update audio driver. Go to Device Manager. Right-click on Audio, then choose Scan for hardware changes. Next, right-click on Sound, then choose Scan for hardware changes. Now, right-click on Sound icon in the bottom right, then select Sound Settings. In the Choose Where to Play Sound section, select the correct place where you're outputting the sound. In case you don't know which one to choose, choose each one, then check which one can play the sound. Method 2. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then select System. In the System section, scroll down and find Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run next to playing audio. Once done, restart your PC and check issue is fixed or not. Method 3. Restart Windows Audio Service. Press Windows key R, then type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Double-click it and change the startup type to automatic, then click the Start button. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your PC and check whether the sound issue has been fixed. Method 4. Choose another driver version. Go to Device Manager. Click the arrow pointing to Sound. Right-click the installed device and click Properties. Go to the Driver tab, then click on Update Driver. Press Browse Computer for driver software. Click Allow me to choose from a list of device drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Click Next. Once installed, restart your PC and check whether the sound issue has been fixed. If the problem is still, go back here and see if the revert option is available. If so, click on it. Restart your computer after the process.